my little chubby babies. Look at them. We moved them into their own coop because Jenny, who's a Jack, was just beating the crap out of them. Which I'm kind of thinking I may have to sell Jack. They're just gobbling it up. Look at it. They're just gobbling it up. Oh my gosh. These are the most laid-back birds ever. These are little Cochin, Bantam Cochins. So, I did not realize that there was actually a big Cochin. Where are you going, Mama? Where are you going? You can see, if you look at their thing, they're starting to look, their head, their combs, and their wattles, they kind of look like they're getting ready to start laying. Which should be nice. These are my little babies. My little Cochin babies. Hi. Hi, honey. You can get back in there? I don't know. I'm thinking about talking to my husband about adding a little bit of a rain. I mean, these guys don't take up much space. They don't need much space, but I don't know. Look at her. Alright, hey, Mama, the good stuff's in there. The good stuff is in there. You can see how red hers are right now. Is that what you want? Snatch it out of my hand. Alright, go back in. Alright. There's the babies. There's half of them. I'm going to be joining these together because I still want to do daily videos of the babies that I got.